them live, Instagram live. Mara Mountain. I'm Mara Mountain, my manager. Mara Mountain. Mountain. Acting like niggas been living real life, but we living real life here, you know? Yeah. Ghana musicians, you know? Yeah, that's my other mountain. That's my other mountain, like my mountain. You know? I feel like me I come live, make, you know, may I just, you know, talk to you guys a bit, you know? You know how we do it, man. Like, I'm on ice stop, like, you know, my neck is cold, like, you know, I'm on ice stop, my nigga. Yeah, but shout out to all my Instagram followers, man. Y'all doing good, man. Y'all supporting the thing, you know, Shata movement, you know. That's how we do it. It's no joke. You know, we're just making it happen, man. Just having some fun in my house, and I just decided to just, you know, come online and, you know, that's how the thing goes. This is my other house doing thing, man. Yeah. Yeah. That's how we do. That's how we do. That's bulldog. That's bulldog.
You guys had some jollof and kelewele.
Yeah. You don't say jollof and kelewele. Kelewele. I got mine like Chris Corner, you know. Like the whole Ghana. If you Shata Wale will get the best managers. Like I go talk managers. But I won't keep the jets. The whole Ghana, maybe they forget it. Hey, what's up, Niger? Anytime I come online, the Nigerians will come online more than Ghanaians. Why? I don't know. You know, right now, you know, I've been getting so many calls, and people keep telling me I'm a Nigerian, and I tell them, no, I'm from Accra. ACCR, Accra. Kwame Nkrumah. They say, no, you are Burna Boy's friend, you are Davido's friend, you are Whiskey's friend. In fact, I'm the whole Nigeria industry friend. You understand? Shit is getting crazy now. You see, when they look at me, they say I'm iced up, you know. All my niggas in Nigeria are iced up. We getting iced up, you know, like on rollies and shit. Olusegun Shata Wale. No, but totally they say you go call me Ikechuku. Shata Ikechuku Wale. My Nigerian name is Shata Ikechuku Wale. You understand me? I don't know why. Everybody feels like Nigerian. Niger. I'm rich like a fucking Nigerian billionaire. That would be. Don't take me for here. Because of Corona day here. Like when I told you a leg back.
I swear.
We chop some and something soup. I say ever. I didn't say ever, please. You know, a goosey soup. A goosey soup. You all see Ghana in here. Shout out Ghana, man. Ghana is a nice country, but our music industry is not a nice country. I swear. You know. Yo, Niger. I don't know, man. I talk this thing always say I want to relocate and go to Nigeria. Because our music industry, we talk, I know they help. When a coronavirus come, we know they play show. Hunger day. People just, they sit down. They don't want to talk to you hunger day. My guy, hunger day, Ghana. Hunger day. You know what I'm saying? You know? Shout out to all my Nigerians who support my thing, you know. Shout out to all my brothers, you know. Yeah. Shout out to Bella Smoother and all my clique, you know. Yeah, you know. I know you guys support the thing, man. It's crazy, man, but I'll go do them. You know? Somebody say, want to see my symbol of hope. That's my symbol of hope, my nigga. Like, shit is iced up, my nigga. Shit is iced. Like, I got diamonds on my neck. Like, niggas just... I'm just freezing, my nigga. manager, I know you like jewels, but you know,
man.
they tell me make I buy jewelry. They say make I ice my neck.
And your nose, remember that?
Yeah, I'm gonna ice my nose as well, you know, and my eye. Yeah. You see, he said the same thing. Yeah,
Great.
that's my manager.
Great.
In Nigeria, this way you won't come Ghana, can manage yourself. If it's not Bulldog, it's Chris Connie. If you can't remember Connie, say Connie. Kenki. Understand? Yeah. They know the industry. They know how the thing go for the industry, and they are experienced, and even they are older than the industry. You understand me? The time the industry starts, that is when they start before the industry starts. You understand me? Yeah. Shout out to all my old musicians. You know, you guys have done a great work for us. You know, you guys paved the way for us to come back. You know, then the system, you know, they make you the talk. But Shata Wale come down, I will talk everything for you. You understand? So yeah, you need the manager in Ghana, you know.
And this is the guy who died like Jesus Christ and rose up.
Yeah.
Shata Wale.
Yeah. Shata Wale. My name.
Kill him long time.
They kill me like
Yes.
bandana.
The Pharisees, yes. Wake up again.
And wake up.
Yeah,
As a serial gamer, check all the freeze.
Yes.
My neck
Now he's the Holy Ghost. Holy Ghost. Straight. Not a physical again. They like hair. Now you can't fight the hair. And you fight the hair.
I got diamond, I got G on me right here. I got my diamonds here, I got another diamond here. I got G-O-D, God.
Straight.
Only
God.
Only God.
Only Jah.
You understand me?
You can't fight the hair.
No, you can't fight it. You can't fight with the Brahman.
No.
You understand me? The air, you know we fight them.
No. You know they see him to fight.
Yeah, you understand? So they for just understand.
Yes.
Understand? Most of them, you know if you show them a house like this, they will see that. Look at the whole fucking mansion, my nigga. The whole fucking mansion. Hey, point of correction. 8 bedrooms. 8 bedrooms. Nigerians don't build 2-3 bedrooms.
Yes.
They build 8,
Yes.
10, 12.
Yes.
I'm a Nigerian.
Yes.
Even though my parents are Ghanaians. Yeah.
I love you, Poppy.
No, but that's when I say from Nigeria. From Ilefe. Ilefe. Me, I'm from Ilefe, from Nigeria. My father in father. From Ilefe. Where we work, come Ghana. Just because of Kenke. If my ancestors had known, we would have stayed in Nigeria.
But as they come more with that time, Corona come. Lock up. That's why they did.
So lock up with me,
Lock up.
Them plenty Nigerians in Ghana right now, they lock up with. If I try, make we go back, make we not go back. Because Nigeria, I beg if anybody they Ghana away from Nigeria, make you come pick me go. I'm tired.
You want to go home, man.
I'm tired, you know. I'm tired. I swear. You understand? It's crazy, man. It's crazy, like. But it's all good, man. We all Africans there. We need to support each other and stuff. But yeah, Nigerians they support Ghanaians. Ghanaians they support, Nigerians. It be normal. They just say, our industry is poor. Like plenty artists they don't want to talk about. I know there's somebody who's like say why our industry is poor and I'm high staff. Me, I be industry on my own. I am industry on my own in Ghana. Shata movement industry. You know what I mean? Shata movement music industry. That's why I say my managers, they be experienced. Come, if anybody they have make they come Ghana. Any manager you go see with any artist, either be a friend or maybe somebody. You know what I mean? They don't know the music industry past Bulldog. The whole Africa, they know Bulldog. Say manager, we manage plenty artists. Bulldog, he manage 5-5. He manage I1. He manage natural face. He manage people say where people don't know say they manage. The only thing they bomb me right now is say right now he manage VIP. But the only thing they bomb me right now is say he won't manage Eno, make him fight Medikal. And I don't like that thing. I like Eno, but Medikal is my family.
Eno just killed.
You don't say that. I don't like that. If you say that, I go first.
Kill Medikal.
No, if you kill Medikal. They just rap.
They rap.
Yes. I like Medikal rap. I like Eno.
Me too, I love Medikal, but Charlie, when the thing there, Emma, and respond why? Emma, my pastor, and respond why? Say that deal I'm not here.
My medical, I don't do any rap for you.
Like tweet. Let the thing no go go rapping. What do you go rap about it? I know, but this Corona time, what I want to tell you, if you want to make phone, if you want phone or something, use Infinix. I mean, the only phone with the phone.
I like the way you change your topic. Let me continue.
And if you want energy for drink, storm energy drink. You understand?
But why you laugh at me?
You understand? Because if you storm energy drink, she they drink, they rap like that.
But medical to the drink storm energy.
No.
Medical to the drink storm energy. You know if you can't have it. What?
And if you want money, just go Bet Planet. Medical they use Bet Planet.
Medical.
No money there.
No, but
Bet Planet.
But I don't know why you take this rap.
But why? You know you don't write this rap for anyway.
I didn't write it. I didn't write it. She's a liar. Teacher, she's lying. But I like the beef way they go up for Ghana. Yeah, it's nice. Yeah, you know. But when we meet a Stoneboy the beef, they say we will fight. Right now, we don't present the day when they interview Eno, then they go interview Federines, then they go interview Sister Fia. I beg you, Shata, if you don't stop that nonsense, the time we do, you know they do. Shata, they take feeling. Stoneboy, don't do that nonsense. Ask me a Stoneboy, they beat me a Samini, they beat. Like if you saw it for interview, make you feel today the e-post is a bit important. Today you have big Santana is a bit important. Keep interviewing and keep making fun of them. Not be say about, but you see what I make Santana do. If you will open your eye. Right now e-post is a bit important. You see the way it's fine. You see the way girls they beef. Way fine. Them say they this past week. They diss them about
beef
past
week. If you will be this, go ask Samini.
Me and Samini the beef. You put make the boy they feel like I know they like him. You put no interview we wear. You can't they put quarrel. They won't give Samini award pass me. I know you see my holiday my neck.
Bling.
These are diamonds. These are fucking diamonds. Right now my fingers saw the finger.
Bling.
Nothing will fake. No. Those days I didn't wear some chairs. Can they change that time? Let me show you. Yeah. With the fear who side wall. No, move it here. Nipa to me say Nipa. Because Nipa mbo Nipa.
Thank you.
Udi keke na wa ma oba obia wa ma. Udi na wa obia. But to born man, to spoil man no go fit do that. You know this one. People must stop that thing. I like the way you put it. Interview Eno, you interview, you know, they talk about, you know, everybody way nice. The girls, you Sister Fia said go interview this trip. They talk for your video top say if you catch Federines, you go beat them. You see I'm nice, you don't talk anything. But if you maybe I go touch you, I go beat school boy, I go be sack audience. Then you both board, then you take him like Shata there. Move breast, I swear. Learn from Shata Wale.
Exactly.
Even me, I can't teach Ghana beef.
Yes.
Even me, where I can't teach you beef.
You are the wave in the industry.
I am the way, the truth, and the light.
Yes.
No one goes to the Father by not passing through me.
Ghana music industry was everybody down. Thank you. Now where any see waves.
Thank you.
If you spin that thing, why are you there?
Thank you.
Don't forget.
Thank you.
We engineer that thing long time.
They don't know. You understand me?
We got the keys.
No, but we will get a keys.
More keys they will go.
People are going to do more doors.
Plenty.
Well, we get plenty spare keys. Me, I get master keys. Master key. No be your doorway go do way man no go through. You understand? So somebody right say they for pay me. The Ghana they owe me. And they go pay me, I swear. That's why me, somebody call me for show for Ghana and they charge them. Because those days, The thing they do me, my guy, you know it's you.
No.
You know it's, the thing is very painful. I get what I'm saying. The people they beef, the people they do promo, they enjoy them. Women they beef, they piss. And the women say because they piss themselves. And people they interview them.
Let me tell them, make you no comot gun like stone ball.
No.
Comot weed.
No,
but see them ahead.
but since they say go beef with their hands.
They be like go comot. Go comot to weed.
You know,
all the women them are here and them are here to the way.
I win. I'm back to side.
Kakalika dey them ahead.
Yeah, man.
When you know say you get kakalika here, don't be. Just shoot for yourself.
I swear. People for just understand one thing. If Ghana music and accept say Shata Wale can open, plenty people them are high. We all go on with that. But see they don't be accept. And we go see like Shata there or na sem or some life and or yeah basa. Move break. Because I never know say beef go can't job people like this for Ghana. See Medikal and strong mind beef. All of you hold the beef like you support one side, you support one side. We all understand it is good. Ghana, if somebody get money there, it pay plenty people where they don't get up. They don't want make it fall. We understand. That one there we get up. People ask Medikal they do or they say strong man beat Medikal. Medikal beat strong. We understand. You understand? Because strong man right now they come out. Medikal this street. That's I mean this street. They do business with street. Where you see money. That's what I mean. So you know me say they come show somebody say he get money pass or something. Yeah, you understand me? So you know be anything. By Eno and the girls them all you put it do. If you right now they enjoy. It be so like for make we enjoy with one beef. You enjoy right now you make stone boy make you know they feel beef. If you know if Samini make you know they feel beef.
I beg. I want to call something. They accept the top one. Why know this? Accept the call. I know the two.
Sakore is
or you don't see the call.
You know see
the call.
I talk to him. He say, I said, I want to collaboration. So I said,
one bring Asem.
Asem
won't bring matter to him. Asem the show the Asem
but I see Asem the rap. Make Ghana make you do make you know they do those things. You understand me? Asem the rap. You do move for understand some things. Sakore to the rap. So if they do the thing make it make nice. Then right now you want to see the thing go one side like Asem he hustle. He do this. Don't do that. You understand me? Don't do that.
For the YouTube, you go flash the guy. When I call you, you know the thing. Why flash him?
You go flash Asem.
You go flash Asem. When Asem call him, I know the thing.
I go there.
Big phone.
So I go there. You did it because buy me one shirt from America. You know won't buy me the shirt.
I say leave one CD for Angel.
You say leave one CD for Angel. Angel. If you don't say get my one CD, bring down. You understand me?
Go take for you today.
Go take for me today. You say go take. The way you put it, do that thing.
You can't take that.
I got my niggas in the house, yo, CTM in the house. Yo, wagwan. Yo, I got CTM in the house. Hey, Kona. Hey, what's up? Mad. That's not a dog for you, my nigga. Wagwan. I got my nigga CTM in the house. Bad man. I think Instagram like. Yeah, I got my nigga in the house, man.
Yeah.
You see?
Chris,
yeah, money makers. That's my prince. Yeah, you know. That's ZTM for you. Y'all go check him out, man. Check him out on YouTube. ZTM. That's his road manager over there. Me foot is there. Wait. Dope, you still think you for crowd. See dope. Yeah, you know.
I don't get so much.
Oh, I don't get so much. And if he's single, you know, all of them are single though. Like he's single. Yeah, so you want him just, you know, try and link him up. You know.
He's single with a dick.
Yeah, he's single with a dick. No, not a dimple right now. A dinko. Dink. He's single with a dicko.
Yes.
No, it's just the thing is just going like this.
Ready to chuckle.
And ready to chuckle. And muckle.
Yes. I have to watch us online or what?
Why the watch us online? I have money. Already Instagram live, you know. I'm just starting to feel, you know.
Which Arab is that? Arab.
It will be, yeah. Yeah, son.
I don't tell you. Dale. Yeah.
Yo, I'm about to go shoot a video right now. I'm gonna come back, you know. And don't worry, you know. This is how I talk everything, man, nigga. Like, you know, I just came back from the United States. I think United States. United States of America. You understand? So I want to shoot some video and just come back to y'all. And, you know, we gonna have some conversation, like, you know. You gonna lose some few things, you know. Yeah. So stick and stay. I'm gonna be back and do some few things for you, you know, like, you know. Yeah, me patch and say, me could try to do something, you are my back. The English is too hard for me. I can't English. I'm tired. I'm tired. If you want me to speak English, start on this in America, calling you, speak out for you. I love you, people. Bye-bye. My bundle is finished. Hey, Ghana, this is my bundle. They are giving me a lot. A lot. Say my bundle finished. Yes. If I did Nigeria, they're not going to give me a lot.
No.
Why? Why? Ghana music. Why? You don't have anything. Why? Yo, I love you, niggas, man. I'm going to be back, man. Love you. Mwah, mwah, mwah.